In the midst of a global pandemic, the demand for shelter, and homeownership in particular, remains high. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's start with the big picture and some no surprises. Big picture first. Homes for sale throughout the East Bay increased during April compared with March. Now that's to be expected due to the seasonal nature of real estate. And now the no surprise. COVID-19 is making sellers nervous, and they're keeping their homes off the market. Comparing this April with last April, inventory was way down throughout the East Bay. The biggest percentage loss was in the Tri-Valley with more than 40% fewer homes for sale. Another no surprise is the drop in sales activity. Fewer homes for sale, fewer homes sold. The 880 corridor and central Costa experiencing the largest loss of home sales. Inventory and sales may have been low, but demand for homeownership even during this crisis is high. How can we tell? Check out days on market. Remember, homes were on the market much longer during 2019 compared with previous years. That wasn't the case during April. Days on market dropped anywhere from 25 to 60% compared with last April. Sales prices are another sign people want to buy homes in the East Bay, and they're willing to pay higher prices than last year. With the exception of La Miranda, sales prices up throughout the East Bay. We're now going to take a quick run through our local markets. Be ready to press pause because we're going to be going fast. First, 880 corridor. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Alameda, 8 for sale. Fremont, 113. Hayward, 72. Oakland, 209. Sales prices, up everywhere, some by double digits. Alameda up 14%, Oakland 17%, San Lorenzo 10%. Homes sold, down. Alameda 15, Fremont 76, Hayward 48, San Leandro 28, and Union City only 18. Next, we'll check West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, sort of mixed. Hercules down with 18, Richmond only 54, San Pablo gains a few with 18 for sale. Sales prices, very strong. El Cerrito up 23%, Hercules 17, Richmond 10, and San Pablo 23. Homes sold, low supply, low sales. All single digits except for the 46 sold in Richmond. Now we'll go to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, big losses. Clayton 11 on the market, Concord 77, Walnut Creek 48. Sales prices up mostly. Slight drop in Clayton. Martinez up 8%, Pleasant Hill 6, Walnut Creek up 3%. Homes sold, down. Clayton 8, Concord 50, Walnut Creek 32. La Miranda always has a surprise. Homes for sale, no surprise, down. Moraga only 12 on the market. Sales prices, surprise, all down 8% compared with last April. Homes sold, down. Only 16 sold in Lafayette. The Tri-Valley responded a bit differently to changing conditions. Homes for sale, down the most of all East Bay subregions. Dublin only 49 for sale, Livermore 66, and San Ramon down 50% with 52 homes for sale. Sales prices mixed. Alamo and Danville up 2 and 3%. Dublin actually down 7%. Livermore almost flat, Pleasant up 4, and San Ramon down a single percent. Homes sold, down or flat. Alamo only 13, Danville 50, Pleasant 45, and San Ramon 36 sold. We'll wrap things up in the Delta region. Homes for sale, down. Brentwood 147, Discovery Bay 65, Oakley takes a big hit with 48 for sale. Sales prices, low inventory in Discovery Bay and Oakley drove prices up 10 and 16%. Homes sold, mostly down. Brentwood just 56, Pittsburgh only 38 sold. So, what's going to happen? From March to April, pending sales dropped 33%. And compared to last April, pending sales were down by 46 to 66% across the East Bay. Even with strong demand for homeownership, we'll see fewer sales during May and into June. Stay safe, stay healthy, so we can see you next month.